Here is a wonderful 2020 Ford Ranger. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Get serious about your outdoor lifestyle. Take a closer look at this Ranger, the midsize pickup that's ready for work or adventure. Rigorously tested and proven tough even under extreme conditions, it offers a surprising tow and payload capacity, aerodynamic styling, and an irresistible blend of comfort and convenience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, fog lamps, bed liner, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, backup camera, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, front tow hooks. Always use the right tools for the job. This capable Ranger is waiting to help you live, work, and play in style. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.